the Soundcore Space A40. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Space A40 by Soundcore. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 10 hours of listening time, 50 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2 and has multi-point, high-res wireless, LDAC, and Hear ID. App integration, ANC, transparency modes, and EQ settings. Touch controls, USB-C for charging, along with wireless, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case has a capsule design and it's small and compact. It has a matte finish all around and the logo on the top of the lid. On the front, you have the status LED lights. And on the back, you have the USB-C charge port and pairing button. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. The inside of the case has a glossy finish with the ear indicators on the top. The case has wireless charging, and you can see it here on the charger activate. Looking at the earbuds, it has a small ergonomic design. The inside face has a glossy finish with the ear markings. The outer face has the logo along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, microphones, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward. A few taps navigate playback, calls, ANC, and transparency features. This has app integration, and once you're connected, you can toggle the ANC, transparency, select from EQ presets or customize your own, and access the general settings. The case comes in at 67 by 43 by 28 millimeters. It weighs in at 48 grams, and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Waiting on the edge of this moment, holding out for something golden. Found a light on a hill, I was waking up, looking for peace in a world that's divided. Gotta hold on tight when you find it. I was turning around, I was waking up. You're pulling me right in, rotate to you.
Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soundcore Space A40 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well and it came in loud and clear during calls. Other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They created a nice tight seal and it felt secure. You will feel a bit of pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time, but the touch controls help alleviate some of that pressure. Build and quality is in line with what you would expect at this price point. The case feels solid along with the earbuds. Touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is great at 10 hours and 50 total with the case. I like the app integration along with the EQ settings.
but I would have liked to seen a better IPX rating. The ANC and transparency feature worked as advertised. It did a good job of canceling out the surroundings, and when the transparency was activated, the microphones picked up the sounds loud and clear. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in pronounced, punchy and tight, and it sounds accurate but doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs are clean and clear, and vocals and instruments do stand out. There's a wide sound stage with good separation. Overall, I feel this has good value for its price point. The sounds deliver along with the ANC and transparency features. So that is my review of the Soundcore Space A40 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.